How to add a copyright protective watermark on photos that you have on your Poco X7 Pro phone with HyperOS 2. A sure way to go to find this feature, how to use it, let's get started. To make use of this feature, one, make sure you are using the gallery app for your Xiaomi or your Poco phone. And it's going to be this one here in particular. So you'll have to go into it. Then you'll look for the photo that you want to do this with. So let's just say I decide that I want to go with this photo in particular, okay? So this is the photo, and I want to add some sort of light watermark there so that when I share this photo, no one's going to take it from me, all right? It'll be mine. Now to do this here, you will be in the view mode where you're viewing the single photo itself and tap on the three dots right here. As you do this here, you're going to see an option that says protective watermark right there. Now, when you're here now, this is going to pop up and you can type in whatever it is that you want to type in and whatever it is that you have there, and you just put your name. I guess I'll just say the word name here, or you just put your name there so everyone would know this is yours, or something that would represent you. All right, now once you press the check mark here, it is going to already show up as a preview. I don't know if you can make it out, but it's right there. You can see them there going across. And once you're done with all of that, go ahead and press the check mark like this, and it's going to say saving. And now your photo has this watermark on it. Okay, and that's that, like and so.